Hi friends, my name is Caitlin, and one of our exciting things that we have in Bill's backyard is our observation beehive. When you visited the museum before, you might have noticed our other beehive over by Lupe the mammoth. But we wanted to give our visitors a chance to see what bees look like up close. So we created this observation beehive where you can see bees in their home. There are 3 types of bees that live in our observation hive. The first is our queen bee, who's going to be mostly on the inside laying eggs. To protect her, we have the drone bees, which really just take care of the queen and also stay mostly inside the hive. And then all the rest of the bees in the colony are worker bees. And these are the bees you're going to see the most, going from flower to pollinate and also doing work inside our observation hive. The process of moving small yellow grains, called pollen, from flower to flower is called pollination. To communicate where the best flowers are, bees actually use dancing to communicate. So they go back into the hive, they dance next to their bee friends to give directions to the best flowers, and then the bees go out through our metal tunnel, up through the clear tunnel, and up to our live roof to pollinate our native plants. And so, if you haven't had a chance to see our pollinator friends in our observation hive, be sure to come visit us in person. Bill's Backyard is now open to visitors, and you can check our website for more details. And don't worry, you don't need a full-on beekeeper's outfit to enjoy our observation hive. Bye!